Hello, today I will show you how to turn off your. So let's get start. First of all, I will explain how to turn on your computer in easy 2 steps. Okay, just do no more, nothing else. What this option exists? This option let us to turn off your computer by not is on more. So next option is it difficult? No, isn't easy because it's just 2 steps. The history, I don't know, the history is just generic. So thanks for seeing this PowerPoint and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, first of all, you need to click this button up here. It's the Windows button. After that, you need to click here. Well, it's 3 steps because you need to choose now this option, turn off.